Okay. Today we're gonna be smashing this Whirlpool duet. It's not very good. It's actually crap. Oh, this is my favorite thing about it. It's gonna break. This thing is gonna break instantly. If
I think this one has had some use.
Yeah, it had some use. And no, I did not break into a house and get this thing. It's actually I got it from my aunt, from one of my aunt's house. It's crap. Energy Star pieces. Crap. How about we get to smashing? Let's see. I already started smashing because I had a couple bloopers, but I'm not going to show you them because they're not very good.
You don't want to show them the bloopers?
Yeah, it's not good bloopers.
Alright.
How about we get to smashing?
Get to smashing.
Let's break the knob off. There it goes. Finally got some smashing in this thing. Ha! I pushed it in. Even I think the computer's broken. Let me fix it. Gotta fix this. Need a baseball bat for this. Oh, cheap plastic came off. I think I should break this off. Yep, it came off officially. This is sticky. Crap. I got it. It's not a good washer. Cheap plastic. Yeah, cheap plastic. Right there. Got some cheap plastic. This is the actual disassembly I should be doing. I didn't want to bore you by taking it apart, so I decided to smash it. No, I'm not going to throw a brick in it because I cut the power cord. Oh, cheap plastic. It's cheap plastic. Yeah. I think I should call
What's
this.
that?
That's a computer. What, this is the computer.
The computer?
Yeah, the electronic control board to it. Never smashed a washing machine in a long time. I think I'll call this machine the cheap plastic. I want to name this washing machine. What am I going to name it? Cheap plastic. Ah, this cheap piece of this. Yeah. I hope they like it. What's this? Yep, plastic. Not even real. That's not even real glass. broke it.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, it's hollow. It's not really even filled. I don't want to touch the glass, the baked glass. I don't want to get cut.
What is it if it's not glass?
Plastic.
Ah.
I don't. Break it. Yeah.
Why don't you open it?
Open it. Okay, I'll open it. I can barely open it before, 'cause it's got dirt. Okay, this piece is glass.
You found a glass piece?
Yep, sounds like glass. Actually, it's cheap glass. I enjoy smashing. I enjoy smashing things. Because they get smashed. First time I smashed a washing machine, it was my piece of crap 2011 Maytag Centennial washing machine that had that in color. I couldn't smash it well enough, so I'm smashing this one. Hopefully I can smash this one more than that Centennial. I really don't like this thing. Looks like it's a job for the baseball bat. My bat has been introduced to cheap plastic. The Whirlpool duet washing machine that got smashed. Lid lock. This time I'll be smashing a Samsung.
Why don't you move that out from underneath your feet?
What, this?
Yeah.
I'm going to show them the aftermath when I'm done. I'm scrapping this thing. Cause it's dead. I wonder what this is. Exposed. Well, someone had one of these and exposed stuff. They found exposed stuff in theirs. Oh, look! I finally got this off.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Yeah, it was a piece of trash. This thing is a piece of trash. Even more trash since I smashed it. Whew, it's a hot day out. I'm wearing a different shirt. This shirt is actually a bit too big. Let's break the computer. I want to break this thing in half. It's sweaty from all the smashing.
What?
I think I could just do this amount of smashing now.
You're taking a break? Come here, I didn't hear you. What'd you say?
I'm taking a break. I think this is enough smashing, actually.
Oh, okay. Do you want to get any close-up of anything?
Look at all these parts. All smashed up. Whirlpool. Whirlpool makes junk wash. Take a break. Okay. I'm going to show you that. I want to prove it to you.
Come here, honey. Where are you going?
I want to prove them that's a duet.
Huh? Oh, you're going to get that other piece that fell off?
Couldn't find it. Frick, I touched the bee bush.
Here,
Couldn't find it.
here, get this and I'll go get it for you.
Okay. Okay. There it is. Piece of crap. Smashed. I'm gonna pause it. To prove to you that it's a duet, look at this cover. See it? It says duet. Yep. I don't know if I could smash that or not. Okay, that's gonna be it. G Money is out.